So I got a Coachmen 204RD rear dinette. The dinette was really hindering me because I spent a lot of time in here trying to work on the computer, and that dinette seating was very uncomfortable working on the road. So I realized I wanted to turn this camper into a rear office. So my brother and I modified the floor plan, and here's what we have. We have the rear office model. So this area right here used to be the seating for the dinette, and now it's the under seating storage access from the outside, which is now unusable, but I don't know what we're going to do with that. Maybe we'll cover it up. Maybe we'll insulate it. Maybe we'll use it, open it up and put fans in it, open it up, put an air conditioner in it. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. If anybody has any good ideas. Or we just cover it with new paneling, put some new paneling in. We haven't decided yet. But so we cut that back, rebuilt out the box. So it had ends here, and underneath the box, unmoved by me, is the original heating, the water heater, and so forth. And on this side, we redesigned this box, moved it in flush with the refrigerator, and in that box is the water pump and some other hoses for the water system. Also, I changed the orientation of the table. Normally the table came this way, but I wanted to be able to, wait for it, roll my chair. I'm waiting on a new cooler chair. But roll my chair in, and now I have all this room. So that's really cool. Let me show you a little bit more. So what's the need for all this space right here? And I'll show you what that need is. That is the need to be able to sit back and see the TV at a nice, comfortable angle in a reclining chair. Now, this is a real win right here, because sitting in the dinette, trying to angle yourself to see the TV comfortably was terrible on the neck. So this is a huge improvement in that sense. Now, this thing right here, I have stored underneath the master bedroom bed in the storage area. Let me show you what this is. It's a cot, which allows my daughter to come with me on occasion. She doesn't come with me very often, but when she does, obviously she's going to need a place to sleep. We have all this room now, and it's actually a better sleeping cot than the dinette was. Can store the table or not even bring it with us on the trip, depending upon what we're doing. There's a lot of options here, which is the cool thing. So this is the rear office configuration.